Hi, I'm Matt. Today I'm inspecting a two-family flat in Grosse Pointe, and here we have a couple of bathrooms. There's one, I want to show you two things in this video. There's a bathroom over there that we'll go to in a minute that has no heat in it. And in this bathroom we have a shower pan, and I just want to show you the kind of test I do on the shower pan to make sure it's not leaking. So here we go. So when I go into a bathroom, one of the things I do is I check the toilet to see if it's loose, and I lean on it. I go like this with my leg. So that one's obviously loose, it's moving. So we write that up as a defect. When you have one of these shower pans, let me turn the water on for a second. See that water in there? Turn it off so you can hear me. So I've put there's about 1.5 inches of water in there, so I'm testing the pan to see if it leaks. I see they've redone the pan because I went in the basement and looked, so it has that orange rubberized material that they put under new pans, so I know this was redone because this house was built in 1960, I believe. So we're testing to see if it leaks. I just put a piece of toilet paper over the drain and I let it sit there. They make a tool for that, but I don't usually use it anymore. I like to use the toilet paper, and then I just stand here and let it fill up with 1.5 inches because I forgot my little tool. It's like a little dam. They call it a donut, and you put it around there. And I have left that on jobs, so I started using toilet paper instead. The donut is nice because it creates a dam, and you can leave the water on and walk away, and it won't overflow the pan, see? But see, this method can overflow the pan, but I stay right here with it. I don't leave. And if I forget to take the toilet paper out, so what? The water will eventually seep through that toilet paper, and this will empty itself, okay? So it's not a big deal if I forget to leave the toilet paper in there. So that's the test I do. See how there's heat in here? You should have heat in a full bathroom, especially if it's on the outside wall. This is the outside wall here. It's got a window. So you should have heat in a bathroom like this. And you do, so that's good. I can feel it, the air is coming out. But in this bathroom in here, I do what's called Schweppes when I go in a room. It's an acronym, I guess it's an acronym, that I made up when I go in a room. S is surfaces, H is heat. Does it have heat? Should it have heat? W is windows, doors, and vents. E is electric. Windows, doors, windows and doors, and vents. Vent would be like an exhaust fan in here, or a window. I would call it ventilation, okay? That's the point, ventilation. E is electric, like I said. Does it have electric? Is it supposed to? It's supposed to have a GFI plug. This room is supposed to have a GFI plug, so we're good there. S, H, W, E, the second E. No, S-H, I got it mixed up. S-H-W-E-P-S. P is, there isn't two E's, there's only one E. There's two S's. The P is for plumbing, so check the plumbing. Is there plumbing in the room? And does it work? So, whenever there's something in a room that's supposed to do something, I turn it on to see if it does what it's supposed to do. So, is the water on? Is the water hot? And then I also check the toilet. This toilet is also loose, which is kind of odd because this is a nice house. Anyway, H, when I get the H in my Schweppes, S-H-W-E-P-S, the second S is for smoke detectors. You're not supposed to have a smoke detector in the bathroom, so I disregard that one. But the H is heat, so where's the heat in here? Yeah. Okay. So there's no heat in here. It's usually under the toe kick. So I started feeling the walls. This wall feels warm right here. And it also feels warm in here. So I think the vent might have been here and they covered it up. I can feel it to the touch. Let me show you. I'm making a video for my website just so you don't think I'm talking to myself. See how warm that wall is? See, this wall over here is like 71 degrees, which is the room temperature, the air temperature in here. So that's 85 degrees right there. So I think the vent is right here. So you could cut a hole in here, and then you notch this bottom of this door out right here, because there's an overhang here, and you can notch this out and put a vent in here and the air can escape. It should have been put in here in the toe kick, it's called, but they didn't. So and this is a 2-family house and he has 2 furnaces. So I shut the heat off to the 2nd floor because this felt warm too, and this could either be where the vent was or it could be going to the 2nd unit upstairs. So I shut that furnace off to the 2nd floor, and I believe this is getting cooler. This was a lot warmer right here before. So, you know, 68 degrees. See, it gets warmer right here. This is a laser thermometer. You get these for 20 bucks, or maybe they're 40 bucks at Sears. So it's a handy tool to have. So anyway, no heat in here, so that's a defect. That's something that most city inspectors would not have noticed. So anyway, that's it.